Meet Bob. Bob's in charge of HR for a large corporation. Recently, the company opened new offices in Pennsylvania and Ohio. Bob knows he needs to set up payroll withholding taxes based on work addresses and home addresses. But Bob has to do this for 5,000 employees, many living across state lines. And he needs to get it done by next Tuesday. But Bob isn't worried because his payroll system utilizes Tax Profile Factory by BSI. Tax Profile Factory works with existing payroll systems to determine the correct tax authorities for each employee and allows self-access to W-4s to keep tax profiles up to date and make new tax assignments when needed. BSI tracks regulatory changes across the country and applies critical updates to our solutions in a timely manner, relieving you of that burden, saving you time and money, and freeing Bob to do what Bob does best. Contact BSI today to find out how our products can enhance your payroll tax processes. BSI, setting the standard in payroll tax solutions.